Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hats on Roblox. So guys, to start you have to go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox, and once you log in, just click on this menu button and click on this avatar option. So now once you're here guys, and you have to go to head and body and hair to wear multiple hairs. Now you can see that right now there is no hair selected. So I need to go back to accessories and remove this head from this my avatar's head. Now go back to now. If you want, I want to wear a multiple hair. Like I want to wear this hair, and if I'm trying to select a second hair, it will unselect the previous one automatically. You can see that it won't allow me to. It do not allow me to select multiple hair. So how can I select multiple hair? So this is a very simple trick, guys. You can try out, and it's a 100% working trick. You need to open a new tab and search for BT Roblox. So it's a very nice extension that allow you to do that. Just install this extension, and once you install, you just need to go back to your page and make sure it is enabled. So to enable or to see if it is enabled in the background, just go to three dot extension, manage extension, and just enable it. And now you have to refresh your website. Now go back to head and body and go to hair, and now just select your hair as many as you want. So I'm gonna select this one as well, and you can select as many as you want. Fine. Can see that I can select multiple hair right now. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Till then, bye.